I just wake up now and anyway. Oh man, what the fucking face. Hello guys. So right now I'm going to show you how to, probably wash your beard, and I'm going to show you, some particular thing about you brush it, comb it, like how I know it. So yeah, stay tuned. So first thing that you want to do is just washing your beard with, I don't know if you can see it, let me just turn it around. You can wash it with this um, this soap. So this soap you can wash it with, for your body, and you can wash it for your beard as well. So it's very important to wash your beard as well. So I'm just going to show you. Good wash, and what I'll say is that make sure to go very well deep down, of course without scratching yourself, but just try to go really deep and wonder. Normally this process you want to do it after cutting your hair. After cutting your hair, your beard, just to look a little bit more fresher, you just have to do this. So let's do this like that. All right. So all right. So in the meantime, so I wash my face as well. In the morning and everything like that. You're kind of like tired and everything. So what I'm going to say now, you just clean your face and beard. What you want to do is don't like rub it like this. You can do that with your beard, but just right now, you just have to do this. You put it like that. This is for your face, so you just tap it just like that. All right. Then for your beard, what you have to do, yeah, you can go a little bit like that. For your beard, you can rub it a little bit. You want to make sure that it's well dry. And this is it for now. So the next thing that you have to do, so before putting any cream in the face and everything like that, what you want to do is you need a beard for, a beard oil. So you need a beard oil just to, it's going to make your beard a little bit softer, and it's not gonna be, it's gonna help your beard just to look more manageable. Let's put it like that. So what you want to do, okay, when you put in the beard oil and everything like that, so as you can see me, I have the beard oil, and you just put 3 dab. So 1, 2, 3. What you're gonna do now, you're just gonna rub it with your hand just like that, not too much. Then you start to go make sure that it goes everywhere. it doesn't leave any chunk of, you know, beard oil in somewhere. But at least, you know, it's good that you don't put too much beard oil in general. And the other thing, you have to make sure that your beard is dry. At least there's no trace of water or anything like that, you know. So, hopla. Right, make sure this inside. Well, it's very important that it goes even from the root. Sorry, it's very important it goes through the contact of the skin while you're doing like this as well. So that is going to go exactly pretty much well. So you put this one. So now what you have to do, after you do this one, you have to go faces. You're going to start with this comb, right? So you start with this and you start combing it. Okay, start combing it. You start combing the beard well, and I'd say that it looks incredibly. It looks softer with that one. It looks incredibly way softer. Right? Alright. It's very, very soft. With so you just have to do like that. Normally you have to do, but with the oil is very, you know. So next thing you have to do, you start with this one as well. Go on the top like that. Boom. Alright. Then you want to comb under here as well. You're not gonna use, you know, something smaller or something medium like that. You need something like this, because when you're combing your beard, it has to go in one direction. You get what I'm saying? You don't have to go all the door on the top like that, or stuff like this, or stuff like that. You just go all in one fucking direction. So you go in one direction, and that's how you do it, you know. So what you're gonna do, take this and you take this one like that, and yeah, man, it's combing everywhere. It's taking the hair from the, you know, from this under, from all, everywhere there, you know what I mean? So you just go like that, and boom. Then it's not finished. So what you have to do now, you need this, right? You need this one. So what you want to do, you take this and you start combing it. You start combing everywhere there, like that. And you just start combing it. You don't have to do it here, you just here. Try to catch everywhere like that. And here we go. So that's it. So what else you have to do now? So we did the beard. So I just washed my face as well. So I'm going to walk. So what I'm going to do now? Okay. I washed my face. So once I wash my face, okay, I'll need cream as well. So you need this cream is pretty much good. I don't know if you can see it, sorry about that. Maybe you cannot see it properly, but anyway, it's Aveeno. So you use Aveeno. This is really good moisturizer for the skin, you know, and it lasts for a long time. It's not really rubbery or everything like that, you know. It's not like very very sorry, not rubbery, very rough, you know what I mean. So the moisturizer, what you're gonna do is just, anyway, I'll just show it down on the description what type of cream it is. So what you do, use a little bit of that, take it like that, and then you start, you know, close your, sorry about that. Anyway, I'm not there yet, but you just keep on going around your eyes. So it smells like, I almost feel like eating it, you know. This is like, it smells like vanilla. What the hell, man? I like vanilla. So when you're doing this, you have to make sure you don't touch your beard, hair, stuff like that. And you know, for us guys, it's like that. You know, you just have to try to don't touch the beard when you're doing this. Okay. Do this like that. Right. Really good cream, you know. It just makes um, your skin more kind of like softer, I guess. Yeah. And yeah guys, so that's it. And okay, I feel more, a little bit more fresher than before. So yes, that's it. So that's how you know, you wash your beard, you do everything. And the reason why you want to do this as well is because you don't want to have any irritation, you know, on your skin, you know, after you cut your, when you cut your hair or your beard and everything like that. You just have to kind of like maintain it, and just to prevent any irritation in the later future when it's growing. So that's why you want to do this. Yeah.